Demystifying the term, t-test. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a term that you might have come across in research or statistics, the t-test. Don't worry if you've never heard of it or find it confusing. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding. The t-test is a statistical test that helps researchers determine if there are significant differences between two groups. In simpler words, it's a tool to see if one group is significantly different from another in some particular way. Imagine you have two baskets of apples and you're wondering if one basket has heavier apples than the other. Instead of weighing every single apple, you could weigh a sample from each basket and use a t-test to see if there's a significant difference in their weights. Great question. The T in t-test stands for Student's T, named after the pseudonym, student, used by the inventor of the test, William Seeley Gossett. He worked at the Guinness Brewery and developed the test to handle small sample sizes. So, every time you hear t-test, remember it's named after a guy who just wanted to brew better beer. The t-test is commonly used in research when 1. Comparing the means or averages of two groups. 2. The data is approximately normally distributed. 3. You have a small sample size. For our apple example, if you had only 10 apples from each basket to weigh, you'd likely use a t-test. There are different types of t-tests, each serving a specific purpose. 1. Independent samples t-test. This is used when comparing the means of two separate groups. E.g., the weights of apples in two different baskets. 2. Paired samples t-test. This is used when comparing the means of the same group at two different times. E.g., the weights of the same group of apples before and after drying them out. 3. One sample t-test. This is used when comparing the mean of a single group against a known mean. E.g., comparing the average weight of apples in a basket to a known standard weight. And there you have it. The t-test is a valuable tool in statistics, helping researchers determine significant differences between groups. Whether it's apples, student scores, or brewing beer, the t-test comes to the rescue. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic. And next time you come across the term t-test, you'll know exactly what it means. Happy learning!